Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are fine.
Ready to learn the new topic? Today I'm going to explain you the topic frog composition. To start your work, what we need: drawing sheet, oil pastels, marker and pencil. Step 1. Use drawing sheet as a base. Step 2. Draw eyes of frog on your sheet. Step 3. Draw the nose and lips of a frog on your sheet. Step 4. Draw face of a frog as shown in the picture. Step 5. Draw one circular shape below the face as shown in the picture. Step 6. Draw right hand of the frog by using tilted lines. Step 7. Draw the stick of the umbrella as shown in the picture. Step 8. Draw umbrella by using curved lines as shown in the picture. Step 9. Draw lines in the umbrella as designed. Step 10. Draw clouds in the sky as shown in the picture. Step 11. Draw another hand of the frog as shown in the picture. Step 12. Draw legs on both the sides by using curved and tilted lines. Step 13. Draw webbed feet of the frog. Step 14. Draw baseline and grass on it. Draw the leaf below the frog. Step 15. Draw half semicircles on the frog's body as spots of the body. Step 16. Draw water droplets as rain on your sheet. Step 17. Color the leaves by using light green color. Step 18. Color the lower background by using grey color. Step 19. Color the upper background by using sky blue color. Step 20. Color the spots of frog by using dark green color. Step 21. Color the droplets by using dark blue color. Step 22. Color the stomach of frog by using yellow color. Step 23. Color the clouds by using grey colors as shown in the picture. Step 24. Color the frog's body by using light green color. Step 25. Color the umbrella of your own choice by using different colors. Step 26. Color the border by using light pink color. Merge the color with the help of your finger. Step 27. Shade the frog and leaves by using dark green color. Step 28. Shade the clouds by using black color. At last, outline the whole drawing by using black color. Your sheet is ready. Hope you like this activity. You can use your creativity too.
Hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.